Hey, good evening, everybody. Tonight, we turn a quarter into multiple colors. All right, first thing we do is add some of this HEET. You can buy this at any retail store, auto parts store. All right, and then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna heat this quarter up. We're gonna put it in the flame for a little bit. Make sure to use something that you won't burn your fingers. Another note is make sure your flame is not as close to this bottle of HEET as it is in this video. Not the best moment. All right, I'm gonna drop it right down into that HEET, and then we're gonna watch it, and we're gonna see as it reacts to this heat. I guess as it cools down, it creates this rainbow effect. I don't understand the science behind it. I'm sure someone does. I'm sure there's some explanation, but it's pretty neat to watch happen. And then after it cools off, you can take it out of the little bowl, and then there you go. You got the coolest quarter on the block. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.